Hello, and this is my vlog week 2 of the Bumble ad campaign. I'm going to tell you what I've done this week. So Monday we started off learning about slogans and what message they're trying to convey. Like, we learned about brand messages, so we have to each choose a brand, look at their slogan and analyse what it means and what it's trying to tell us, what we think it's telling us personally, and why it's encouraging to buy the product or look at the product. Monday I also finished off my competitor research for social media. We then had a lesson on good and bad hashtags, because for our ad campaign we have to create a hashtag, like a catchy one, so we learned how to create a good one which makes people want to look at our ad campaign. Tuesday we had 2 hours in college, so we had a lesson on note taking with Hayley and how to take effective notes, like using highlighters, only using like short words that helps you remember it. And we also learned about the Cornell method, where you split the page into 3 and you write down information, basic information, and then analyse the work you've done throughout the information you've found. On Wednesday's lessons with Hayley, we learned about different ways to advertise something through like print media, digital media, promotion stalls, and you can do merchandise where people will wear the product and people will see the product logo. Free samples, like say if it was a food product or drink product, you can give people free samples. We then learned about interactive stunts, where it's like interacting with people looking at the product and wanting to buy the product. We had to do research on 5 stunts and I come across loads of different ones. There was one that Coke had done, and they like built a bus stop and the window was a interactive computer, so it looked like they was looking out into like the street, but every now and then like a line will come up, a like UFO would be flying around like picking people off the streets, and it was just like computer and people interacted with it. It got people talking, it makes people aware of the brand. So on Friday I uploaded all my research onto Wix and uploaded that to Edmodo for the hand-in. I also had to write up an ad campaign analysis, so we learned how to analyse an ad campaign properly, so break it down in different sections. I chose Coke Just Do It, the ad campaign. I learned loads of things about the Just Do It campaign. The slogan is actually from a criminal's last words before he got executed. And I also completed my independent learning task about plagiarisms and what it is and how to stop them. So it's basically when you copy people's work and you have to change the words to be able for it to not be a plagiarism. So this week I learned what a plagiarism was. I didn't know what it was before. I knew you can't copy work, but I didn't know that it's called a plagiarism. This week I handed everything in on time, and what I really enjoyed doing was the ad campaign analysis, because it was nice to break it down and look at each individual section of the ad campaign. What I like about my group is that we're very on track with everything, but we need to sort out the video storyline and what we need to film. We know we've got ideas, but we just need to put it into an actual storyline so we can get the video filmed and done. Thank you! Handed this, I enjoyed, and type of what people on Wednesday's lesson for our